Skamba. What?
Grand Bob kunjani?
All right.
Grand acha man. Hey ku rough le country. Hey bro Bob. Asambentu. Angas bro Bob. Kwenzakalani la kule country? Asikhulumeni ngale country. Ngicela uthi I think it's time our president calls for a prayer.
Okay, for the drought.
Not for the drought. Yes nenkinga. Asinamanzi. Lalela, izolo ngimamela. Ni wrong ekudi no problem.
No, don't go there.
I'm going there.
Which one?
Oh no, there's two things I'm wrong izolo ngathi kahle why vele. One, nithi nina kushoda amanzi. Abantu abokuqala nibablame ayo yithi lokushini. Kuthi thina siwashi imoto sinamakawashi.
I thought I'm sure.
Nina imhlolo yethu abantu banamajacuzzi. Nina amajacuzzi. Kwakho manje boshada la.
Do you know water shortage, Baba?
Lalela. Garden. Jeffrey, don't forget to water the garden. Yes. Oh, class na. Like ni blame machina ngamakawashi nithi hey lokishini ya no you must stop it with the kawashi hayi lalela ke mina bathe bathi kushoda amanzi ngathi good outing shawe yeah for no reason why angazi bathi shoda amanzi asibone ukuthi ayashoda ngamampela angasikhale ngamanzi awekho amanzi asinamanzi the country ayinamanzi lalela bese ngana gas asinamanzi kunobaba one elobrain ya 4 billion. Why angasiboleki 1 billion? Sithenga amanzi. Asiboleke. We will pay back the money thina. Thenga amanzi thenga. Ewana hayi gezani ke. La baba une la baba une elobrain, bathi une elobrain 4 billion. Okokuqala akakazi ku drive. Akazi drive bani. Awuthi ngihlale. Hey yashisa lana. Ina when njani ngaphakathi probably elobrain so number 1 bathi ka30 in ubona masitha engaki 7 seat for obvious reason for the first trip samba sonke noma khona nanyaphi sonke lesithe empty ngizona surprise yabazi uhlala anomuntu oku standby already unomuntu ku standby asinamanzi udlala ngelobrain la baba akushisi ewe kushisa ngakhona
kukhulu
alela bro kuyashisa umuntu wakhe ebusuku umuntu akuvuza athi asiphinde yini ofuna siphinde kule weather
Imagine.
uza asiphinde hayi sisi hayi yogqobo usiphinde uthini uphinde umuntu uhlula washing ufuna ukuphinda ugcina khona into ezirong emntwana ukuthi kokuqala uphekanga namhlanje uthe kuyashisa estovini mara ufuna ukuthi mina right nami kuyashisa proper ubona lapha ne roll on hey umuntu akuvula izandla uthi baby ungathi ngicela ukuthi uthi kancane hey umuntu lana nomuntu wathi ubuye ebholweni hayi mana Tenjo is crazy, Joe.
Yeah.
Tenjo is crazy.
Absolutely.
Who is this Tenjo? I love her.
I'm going to go Celeste. She's a comedian. She's an
brilliant.
actor. She's dope.
Straight face.
Yeah, she's
Straight face.
She's doing her one-man shows at Durban as a Peter Marisburg. I think she's going to come to Joburg very soon.
No, she must.
Yeah.
She's mad. Sure.
Side chicks, Nizwil.
That's us.
They make the world go round.
Nangu mamriya shem.
Eman's kumba. Emma bed.
No, say TV on the fucking tradition. Ngithi kasana uniform. Come let impact. Someone suspect let impact. Nangu mamriya kana pheka fucking tradition. Ngathi yakule mshada selokishini lethi. Terry, simatla. Terry, simatla. Mamriyo pheka kunjani ayisona ngalo mama.
Let him for.
Suspended ya sicela uniform. Yonke neta. Kanita. Nespam. Manje ngidubula ngani? Let's. Manje qokani manje. Buyela kula maharje pheka uqoka kanjani lo mama lo. Hairstyle dololo. Makeup dololo. Uniform bayithathile. bayisayibeki uniform yakho ngathi yafana ile begqoka ubheka icela same uniform bonke bayilingana bayafana futhi bathi sizolanda islamba sakabhuti leather jacket sizolanda leather jacket kabhuti shem ninendaba naye ubhuti begqoka orla uJackie Smith leather jacket yinkinga leather jacket blue yi problem ngoba lalela ubutha ke bakususpenda wena na nalongerayo but ya siyakufaka manje uwe anyabonga ngicommissioner nayilela hayinyabonga ileda yami ngizofaka ijezi makubanda ngizadonsa ingubo ngabona iphoyisa lengubo wathi kuselisuthu elisuthu abaphoyisa khona wana uniform shaya ingubo shaya badge shaya ingubo shaya badge iyashi la khona ne badge Romthwara elisuthu akunaveni elisuthu veni bakulanda bakubopha ngephoyisa ngehash abangahashi ufafasele emsileni ehash inhla phoyisa lelisuthu fakela isigqoko zakhe abasuthu Romthwara ibadge yabona makuyibadge ibadge yangixaka ngajoyina ngicherry esonto le badge ake ngisho delip why bayikhumula sometimes umuntu ufaka ibadge yonke indawo sihamba sindaweni namajidi ungena swimming pool swimming costume no ibadge ngathi na imhlolo yami enile ijuba nalo limanzi manje ijuba limanzi ijuba ayikhonyulwe ibadge ayikhonyulwe badge must fall umuntu uthatha ishower makaphuma athi towel badge ngathi mina ngeke hayi badge must fall badge ayikhonyulwe la badge hayi umuntu busy naye into enzini uzathi usikhahlaba ki badge
I'm going to have to stop you. Right now.
Badge must fall. Umuntu asim ijuba liphumela baleka uzo. Leo lifuna ukuzomisa nalohlale. Badge. Kula skis. Sorry brother, sorry.
Anyway, this summer.
Umuntu hairstyle hairstyle umuntu Brazilian badge etlapini umuntu just the one but meant to be different once again badge China and yazi etlapini ukushintsha amalight abe blue abe orange badge silver no light can change the badge no light
Chapele.
Hola, Kata.
It's Friday, my bro.
It is Friday, and of course, at the beginning of our summer campaign, #LoveSummer. You know how it is when you know somebody famous. You know, you can't help but drop their name in the conversation.
Of course.
No, I was having a drink with Skumba. Skumba. No, how was Skumba? So I want you to drop LoveSummer in anything. From a song to a drink to, you know.
Nice.
The best love summer.
There you go.
Lalela ke umvangeli uthi they were gonna do a cleansing ceremony lapha kulela bridge LoveSummer lapha and what is if I know group
Thank you, bro.
nama group let me make sense
Faka.
manje wena sonto nifuna ashumela uJesu bazalwane ata sondela LoveSummer baby ngithenga grocery okay LoveSummer one summer when like I'm gonna drop this thing the whole day
That's the whole
for
point.
no reason
Yeah.
traffic cop lingivala kunjani baba engikhona baba LoveSummer mo ubatha summer mo ngidrop pepe le chera me page
Why is a traffic cop from Limpopo?
ufuna
You know, this guy is
but
not
why
right,
why are taxi drivers from KZN? It's the same thing.
Or traffic cops are from Limpopo and taxi drivers are from KZN.
Amaphoyisa now. Le kibheje. Umuntu uyakuvala ku roadblock ngabe uphethe isigubhu. Likai papa. Pedi tielak, likai papa. Kopa license. Kitaile. Hey, maphoyisa wonke ama-potries. If afaka ama-boots, afake la matayara la kithi ngazi ukuthi bani. Angiyazi ukuthi sponsor iTiger Wheel and Tire ukuthi uyazi wena uthi wow bheka wazi ukuthi. Anithandi page. Naw nokushaya eklabhini cabanga u-DJ bench mina ngeke. DJ. Just us. I-jacket ivele kancane i-badge. Uzathi how kanti ulapho na. Love Sam. Love Sam for no reason.
You know, sad news is that Mvangeli was in an accident this morning on his bicycle. Like what happened yesterday with the two bicycles that collided.
There's some time between like abantu bebeze show in bese bahamba they want to tell my jokes. It can't be the same. Like sicela umuntu obe accident asixoxele. Kwenzakaleni baba?
Simple lighting, but lo muntu vele.
Okay, like kwenzakaleni la. Uthi simple. Kulimela abantu isimple le. Hey, like ngithe ngene hey. Ipaski mal vombo ngathi hey. Kwenzakaleni bangela?
No, but it's coming.
Simple.
No, this guy just cut in front of me.
Wamba ngani wena?
Ngihamba bicycle.
Okay. You can't have that voice and drive a bicycle. Yazi intanga zakho. I'm a two-door. I'm a electric windows. I'm a aircon. Wena. And then the car's in front of you.
So I had to slam the brakes and then ngapum.
Wow. This morning. Mvangeli, why into the bed zenzaka kuwe Joe? Like yonke into wrong. Mvangeli bekazihambele Joe, bambamba inkonzi. Bathatha iBhayibheli ngithi uyiwash tie into wrong uyiwash towel.
Hence the name Mvangeli.
Hey, ungena emzini abantu nenjani? That's easy. Ibhasikili ulipakele enzansi sesikhathi. Manje wena bicycle. What's next for you Mvangeli? What's the next big thing that's going to happen in your life? Because right now, away go to selanga one bar. Ngapha iBhayibheli balithathile, ngapha iBhayisikili likho ku head on collagen. Ngapha love some dog. When no cast ulokuzana but bazom upgrade imeda.
Oh yes, that's right.
That's nice.
Yep.
But
nice.
She's not excited. She's like kiwin like kiwin. No. In confidence. Like wait. Kinto zakati lili page. Alo bonum takishima ma Olympic ngepage. But bamni give me like kirali. Oprah Bob has given up on me. You know when
No, it's game over, man. It's game over. You cannot be redeemed.
Love some of that. Congratulations to Prachokyo. He's on the top 5.
Top 5, yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, uzobada. Akababona pheke. Bangapho pheke ngabo nje. Ayazi amehlo Tokyo. Top 5 ngapho pheke ngaphandle. Already singabona lama allegation lo. Awe ukuthi ukutalk angazi mara speed. Ngathi akekho awe ukuthi top 5 of the people that can lead FIFA. Akekho awe bro. Like we struggle. Oh, Iran Island uthi ubheke ngaphandle. Bantu bahlela press conference bahleli bonke labo uTok uzibhekela ngaphandle. Sorry sir, can you please focus? Can you look at the camera? Angibhekile. Lihlo lakhe lisibhekelele. Lihlo lakhe lekhura phawulo leli.